Welcome to NeuralTensors. Today we are building a local ChatGPT-like chatbot that's private, context-aware, and runs entirely on your computer. This chatbot remembers conversations, responds intelligently, and keeps everything secure because it doesn't rely on the cloud. By the end of this video, you'll have your own private AI assistant ready to run locally. Before we start, let's have a quick demo of our chatbot. Here you can see the ChatGPT-like chatbot with a simple and clean interface, and we can see that it is able to remember the context as well. Before we jump in, here's what you'll need. We'll need Python to run the code, Streamlit for the chatbot interface, and LangChain to handle the conversation memory. Also, we need Ollama to run the local Llama 3.2 model locally. For the installation of Ollama, you need to go to the Ollama website, and there you can get the core for the Ollama installation depending upon your operating system. And then go to the models and choose the desired LLM model, get the code and run this on the terminal. And also it requires a decent machine as Llama 3.2 works on modern CPUs, but a GPU makes it faster. Here we start by importing the necessary libraries. These imports are crucial for the various functionalities. Streamlit provides the framework for creating the web interface. Ollama from LangChain community.llms enables communication with the local Ollama server, which hosts the LLM. Conversation buffer memory from langchain.memory manages the conversation history, storing the past interactions to provide context to the LLM. Conversation chain from langchain.chains orchestrates the interaction between the user input, the memory, and the LLM. Prompt template from langchain.prompts allows defining a template for the prompt sent to the LLM, incorporating the conversation history and the user's current input. The custom prompt is a prompt template. This template is what structures the information sent to the LLM. It is designed to provide the context by including the previous conversation, that is the history variable, along with the current user input, that is input variable. This is essential for maintaining the coherent conversation. The prompt instructs the LLM to act as a helpful assistant. The initialize session state function is critical for maintaining state across the user interactions within the Streamlit app. It uses Streamlit's state.session state to store chat history and memory. Chat history is a list that stores the entire chat history as a sequence of messages with a role, human or assistant, and content. This is used to display the conversation in the interface. And memory is an instance of conversation buffer memory. This object stores the conversation in a format suitable for the LLM. It's what allows the chatbot to remember previous tones. The get LLM response function handles the core logic of interacting with the LLM. It initializes the Ollama object, specifying the model to use, that is Llama 3.2. This establishes the connection to the locally running LLM. Also, it creates a conversation chain linking the Ollama instance, the LLM, the memory, and the custom prompt. Also, it uses the conversation.predict method to send the user input to the LLM and receive the response. The conversation chain automatically incorporates the history from the memory into the prompt using the custom prompt template. And here purpose equal to true in the conversation chain configuration prints the detailed information about the interaction to the console, which is useful for debugging. The main function defines the structure and behavior of the Streamlit app. Here it sets the title of the app using st.title, and it calls initialize session state to ensure the session state is set up. And also it creates a chat input box using st.chatInput, allowing the user to type messages. And it iterates through the chat history stored in the session state and displays each message in the Streamlit interface using st.chatMessage. This recreates the conversation history on the screen. When the user submits a new message, the user message is displayed in the chat interface. The get LLM response function is called to get the LLM's reply. The LLM's response is displayed in the chat interface. Both the user's message and LLM's response are appended to the chat history in the session state. st.readOn is called. This is crucial. It forces Streamlit to re-execute the script, updating the displayed chat history with the new messages. Without st.readOn, the interface wouldn't be updated. Here, if name equals main, this block ensures that the main function is only executed when the script is run directly, not when it's imported as a module in another script. And that's it. You have built a private, context-aware chatbot that runs locally on your machine. It is powerful, secure, and fully customizable. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI-related videos. And drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.